Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the Air Max Plus 3 by Nike. These released here in the UK in early November 2019 for the retail price of £150. It comes in your classic red and white Nike box, no special laces or special box this time, unlike last year's anniversary Air Max Plus, which is a little bit disappointing, but we're not here for the box anyway, so let's get right into the shoes. The Air Max Plus 3 may not be as popular as the OG, but I'm very happy that this piece of TN history is back in 2019 in its original Blue Speed colorway, which draws some similarities to the Air Max Plus OG Hyper Blue colorway, as they both share that gradient blue to white upper and the black exoskeleton and overlays. I like the thick synthetic black tumbled leather mudguard collar with the yellow TN logo with Air Max embroidery at the tongue. This logo can also be seen on the medial heel, as well as on the heel of the mostly black, blue and yellow rubber outsole. I love its aggressive, sleek yet bulky shape, with the inclusion of this vertical rather than horizontal overlays, and the blue and black plastic heel cage adds to that aerodynamic futuristic look, as well as improves heel support. I love the huge 270-degree exposed heel bubble, which resembles the Air Max 93, while the contoured 4-foot air bubbles have Air Max 95 vibes. I also like the tuned air embroidered tab on the lateral side of the forefoot. And besides this cool look, what I like most about this shoe is the improved comfort and performance compared to the original TN. The collar feels more padded and stable with a more flexible, wide foot friendly design. I usually would recommend going up at least half a size on the original TN, but these I can stay true to size. These also feel like they have better energy return and heel cushioning compared to the original OG, but I wouldn't recommend either of them as performance runners, but more of a durable lifestyle trainer. The quality control on my pair wasn't bad, but that £150 retail price seems a little bit pricey, but overall this was a very solid retro. I just wanted to quickly get these in for you guys, so here's my thoughts. Now it's time for yours. I hope you found this video useful. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and comment speed to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.